We hope you have been enjoying this story time with us as much as we have enjoyed reading stories for you. Today, we will be reading The Adventures of Beekle, an Unimaginary Friend. I thought this might be a good time to learn about imaginary friends since we're all home, right? All right, let's find out. The Adventures of Beekle, the Unimaginary Friend. He was born on an island far, far away where imaginary friends were created. Here they lived and played, each eagerly waiting to be imagined by a real child like you. Every night, he stood under the stars, hoping for his turn to be picked by a child and given a special name. Look at all the imaginary friends waiting, and then this one got beamed up. He waited for many nights. But his turn never came. He looked sad. I would be sad too. His mind filled with thoughts of all the amazing things that were keeping his friend from imagining him. So rather than waiting, he did the unimaginable. Look at how cool that dragon is. He sailed through unknown waters and faced many scary things. But thinking about his friend gave him the courage to journey on. He's like, whoa, that's a big whale down there. Until he reached the real world. The real world was a strange place. No kids were eating cake. No one stopped to hear the music. And everyone needed nap time. Then he finally saw something familiar. So he followed. This Beekle guy definitely likes adventures. He had a good feeling about this place. But he looked everywhere. He could not find his friend. Look at all the other imaginary friends that have been found. Feels like he might be getting closer to finding his friend. Let's see. He climbed to the top of a tree and looked out, wishing and hoping his friend would come. You see him up there in the tree? But no one came. He thought about how far he'd come and how long he'd waited and felt very, very sad. But then he heard a noise below. Hello. Could it be his friend? The little girl. What is she giving him? Let's see. Her face was friendly and familiar, and there was something about her that felt just right. Look at the picture she made. It's of them together. At first, they weren't sure what to do. Neither of them had made a friend before, but after a little while, they realized they were perfect together. Look at their hug. Beekle and Alice had many new adventures. They shared their snacks. They told funny jokes. It looks like they drew pictures together too. The world began to feel a little less strange. And together they did the unimaginable. The end. Thank you so much for sharing this time, and I hope you're having fun with your imaginary friends as well as your family. We love you and miss you. See you next time.